Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert image to text in Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we need to open our camera application. Go to your camera and go to more option. Click on more option right here, and you're going to select Bixby Vision. Okay, and you can go to the text. You can find some text to copy, and I'm just going to choose image from my gallery. I'm going to convert this image to text. Okay, and then I'm just going to select the text like this. Okay, and we can click on copy. Alright, and I'm going to paste it, for example, in my Samsung Notes. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert image to text in Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.